Hi guys, I'm back in Garten of BanBan 2. This is part 3 of the game. And as you can see, we're here with the room. A very colorful room. And we're gonna start pressing these 3 buttons, which I don't think we'll even should be doing. So if you see the other videos, you'll know what was happening. What is that? No way! No way, the bird came back.
Quick, in here!
Where? Whoa, it's a girl! No, I thought I killed the bird. I thought I killed it. Close. Oh my god. Who did I just bump into? Oh, is that Bambolina girl?
Everyone, I want you all to welcome our newest student. You're late to class. I'll let it slide this time since it's your
Okay,
first
you know what?
day,
I will let you
but
slide.
be late
That
again
you
and have
that you
repeated
messed up your
pieces.
makeup. That's called
You're
lip
new
gloss,
and unpopular
not
student,
eyeshadow.
so you will have to sit with the unpopular table in the middle.
No, I don't want to be with them.
Now sit so we can begin.
I don't want to sit. I don't want to sit.
Sit.
Okay, jeez. Oh my
Okay,
God.
class, so the first lesson of the day is math.
Okay.
Over the course of the semester, you will learn how to annihilate others, how to safely
I'm good
extract
at
the
math.
human brain for eating, and... Oh, wait, I made a mistake. I think that's lesson 4 of the day.
Why am I weird kid?
For math.
No.
Over the course of the semester, you will learn to
Oh.
add, subtract, divide, multiply, and so much more.
Okay,
I am so excited.
I'm not.
Before we start, let's revise some
Why
of the
is my
basics.
drone in the naughty
What
corner?
is 6874
What?
23612 plus 9819399912.
That's a
And
lot.
remember, wrong answers will be
I
very
should go with-
harshly punished.
Wait, use the tape players. Oh, it looks like a really smart kid.
785-606-3524. Correct!
Okay,
You kids are really paying attention today.
yeah.
Next question, and one that I wrote myself.
Weird
What
kid.
is 2 plus 2?
Smart kid should know this. It's obvious.
Correct!
Okay.
Wow, I thought everyone would get it wrong.
Well, not me.
All right, last question before your lunch break. What is misery plus disappointment?
Weird kid. I think it's dramatic.
My life. Correct!
Good one.
Unfortunately, that's all the time
I
we
like
have
how
for
she
math
just.
today.
I think that's her voice that she recorded
Go
on
to
the
your lunch
tape
break,
players.
and then
That
we'll
she's
start the
like,
next lesson
my
when you
life
come
is
back."
disappointing. Okay, do I go here? Oh, okay. That's creepy. You shouldn't do that. You want to sway this? You want to save this twerp? Give us your lunch money. No, regular school day. Please save our friend. He's getting bullied over there. Oh look, we're the cool kids and we chew gum. Get us gum for cash. Okay, yeah, we do want that green cash. Green cash. Okay. These look like body parts. Ew. I don't want to touch these. Ew. Give me the dollar. Okay, we'll put the dollar. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's take Twerp. His name is Twerp. Let's bring back Twerp. Okay. There's Twerp. Okay, I'm a cool kid now. I'm a cool kid.
Attention everyone, this announcement concludes your lunch
Oh, it's
break.
BanBan.
Please
Hi,
return
BanBan.
to your classes.
Okay.
Also, teachers, please keep in mind that we're on the lookout for a very, very naughty student, believed to be accompanied by a drone.
We haven't
catch
seen that
them,
guy, right?
call
It was
Principal
probably the bird.
BanBan's
The bird had
office
a drone
immediately.
in the first one, and then we shoot it with it.
Hey, you didn't see the person they're talking about, did you?
No.
Oh, what am I saying? You're one of the cool kids.
Yep.
Of course you don't talk to ugly, unpopular kids like that.
Yeah, I'm cool. I have
Take
like
a
a
seat
million.
with the cool kids where you belong.
Okay.
Okay, kids, the next lesson is
Popular
science.
kid, loud kid,
Like
class
we did
counts,
for math,
see
and
life
since this
lover.
is the first science lesson of the semester, it will only be a review lesson. But first, let me introduce you to our classroom rules. No eating, no talking, no breathing, no moving, no asking questions, and no washroom breaks. Remember, I will have to punish you very, very harshly if you break any of those rules.
Okay.
Back to the review. Let's start with something easy. How hot is the sun?
Popular kid, I think.
Nothing's as hot as me.
Okay. That was kind of funny.
I'll allow it, but
Okay.
only because it made me laugh and because you're a cool kid.
Okay,
I
yeah.
can tell by your very cool glasses. Next question. How many hearts does an octopus have?
Sea life lover has to know this.
Fingerflint.
What?
Correct.
Oh.
That's half right, since Stingerflint is close to an octopus. He's a jellyfish.
True, but
But
like,
I'll allow it, since you're a cool kid.
okay, thank you.
Normal octopuses have 3 hearts. We humans have 1. And Stingerflint has, I'm not sure actually, but let's move on.
Okay, he probably has like
Next
30
question.
hearts.
We have 5 senses. Sight, smell, taste, touch,
Oh, this is easy. The fifth sense is here. You listen.
Correct. Oh, you just made me use my 5th sense.
Yep, which is
Close
here.
enough. I'll allow it.
Uh-huh.
Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for science for today.
Okay.
Go on to your second break, and then we'll start the next lesson when it's over.
Okay, I guess this is fun a bit, but... Oh wait, we're stealing... Wait, what? Oh wait, there's something right here. You want to join the plan? Give me... Oh wait, we're gonna be one of the mean kids. Okay, so we had to steal everyone's money. Poor guy. I can't do this to the cool kids. I mean, they're not looking, so... Is that it? Oh. I'm a mean kid now. Yay. Hey, BanBan.
Attention everyone.
I
This
escaped
announcement
from you.
concludes your second break. Please return to your classes.
Okay.
Oh, wow. 3 new kids in one day? 1 unpopular kid? Yuck. 1 cool kid and 1 mean kid.
Yeah, 3.
Welcome!
Definitely.
Sit on the table to your left, where you belong, so we can
I
begin.
want to sit close to her. Fine.
Okay, kids. The next lesson is health and kindness.
What? This has nothing
Just
to
like
do
we
with
did for
kindness.
math
I'm a
and
mean-
science, it will only be a
mean
review
kid,
lesson.
mean kid, pain giver.
Let's start
kind
with
of-
some common knowledge to freshen your stupid
Okay.
brains. Can anyone here give me an example of an unkind person?
Unkind money taker?
I will beat you to death.
Oh.
Correct!
Oh, really?
That is a perfect
Oh.
example. Good job. Assuming it wasn't directed at me, of course.
Yep, definitely not. Definitely
Now,
not.
this time, can anyone give me an example of a kind person?
Kind person gives.
I will give you immense pain. Correct!
How is that?
Exactly! Giving others things without expecting anything in return is exactly what kindness is.
Okay, then I
This
guess I
class
could give
is going
pain.
to be great. I can feel it.
I guess I could give pain too.
Wait,
I heard.
what was that?
Yeah, I heard somebody
I
say
wonder
hello.
if it's a new student. Nobody move while I check it out.
I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move. Me and the drone are getting out of here. I'm gonna move. Okay, she's gone. Escape, escape. Come on. Press the button. Okay. You get in here. Get in there. No. Okay. Can you get in there? Okay. Okay. I think this closes the door. Okay, she won't notice. Don't snitch on me skipping and I'll give you. Okay, bet.
No! Not again! I actually tried to be a good teacher this time.
No, you haven't. Okay, let's go. She doesn't know what she's talking about. She just doesn't know what she's talking about. I think she thinks that I'm dumb, but things are just getting more creepier and creepier, aren't they? That's just great. What do I do? This is creeping me. There is no way I'm capturing those. What if they're giants? There's like 300 of them. Or 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 6 of them. Why is there one blue? The blue ones is like super stretchy. Do I? Okay. Oh. So I catch you? Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Why did the light go out? Okay. Yes, I got the blue one. Why does the light turn off? Does it just go randomly? Because I think that's what is. Okay, let's just think of it as it's going randomly. No. I let go of you. I wasn't supposed to let go of you. Okay, thank you. You stay in there. Stay. Be good. Okay. This is not that bad, I guess. After all the stuff in Garten of BanBan 2, I think this is one of my favorite levels because how cute these little birds are. They're so cute. I mean, look at them. You just put them in the nest. So cute. Okay. Okay, let me get this bird. Yes, I got the bird. Now let's take. Okay, so I guess I already know how to do the thing now. How to catch the birds. Okay, this is my 3rd bird. I have 3 birds in the nest. I need 3 more to have all 6. Don't move. Why are you getting closer? You're in a dead end. Whoa. Don't leave. Where? Don't go. This is the one that was up there. Okay, I got you. Okay, but I don't know why you were coming near your... Maybe it's because you want to go to her siblings. I mean, right there is already blocked, but I guess you just wanted to just stay there. Okay, just stay there, I guess. Okay, there's only 2 left. Now there's only 1 left since I grabbed 1. They look so cute. But it doesn't look like they're soft though. It looks like they're like a bit, I don't know. A bit plastic I guess. No, this is... You're the last bird! No. Yes, I got you! Okay. I got all the birds. You're not gonna escape. I already got you, you. What the? Whoa. Oh, I'm stuck. Okay, so you're just gonna... Okay. That was weird. I think I glitched it a bit. But no worries. At least everything is safe with me. Okay, let's go. Where are you going? Oh, she's going to the nest. Oh, wait, she has kids? Oh, that's cute. You know what? I regret dropping her in the first one. I mean, if she told me she had kids, I would not do that. Never. What is that? It's the snail. How to survive a... Oh, okay, so stop. It's like Squid Game. You stop when it's looking right at me, but when it's like stretchy eyes, I can go.
Hello?
Wow, she's stretchy. She reminds me of Mommy Longlegs. She's... Can I move a little bit to the... I think this is the door. Okay, when she looks at the...
Where are you hiding?
Nowhere. I'm not hiding anywhere. Is she still moving? I hear her. Is she coming closer? Ugh. Ew, I don't like the way she's... Ew. Oh, she's looking. I saw her eye. Okay. I'll do this round in the next video.